Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The leadership for the compound maroon them in a St. Elizabeth, so the government must sit down and talk with Chief Richard Curry about the problem what them have. Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa, who are the Chief Medical Officer, say all at the big hospital them in the country 90% full with people who have coronavirus. The police say them a look for some gunman who take over woman constable gun and nearly $300,000 from her in a Portmore St. Catherine Tuesday. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAAA, says sorry to the Trinidad and Tobago track and field community over the death of Dion Lendor. Now for the full story them. The leadership for the compound maroon them in a St. Elizabeth said the government must sit down and talk with Chief Richard Curry about the problem them what them have. According to Alex Moore Minot, or the Minister for Foreign Affairs for the compound maroon, the government can't continue to ignore the history of the maroon them. The cause of the problem are whether two sovereign states there in Jamaica. One sovereign state and one country with them own a government when an answer to nobody. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said Jamaica are one sovereign state and no other country no out there. But Maroon Chief Richard Curry said Mr. Holness must get some legal advice from the Attorney General. Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie, who are the Chief Medical Officer, said all at the big hospital them in the country 90% full with people who have coronavirus. This come after the country have more than 1,000 cases a day and the country positivity rate gone up. On top of that, Dr. Bisesa Mackenzie said the Ministry for Health watch the situation where all heap of healthcare workers have to stand by themselves because them catch the virus. Plus, she said the hospital them and the vaccination program them are hurt from this because enough healthcare workers not about right now. The police said them a look for some gunman who take over woman constable gun and nearly $300,000 from her in a Portmore St. Catherine Tuesday. According to the police report, the woman go on ATM and draw the money. When she walk go her car, some gunman hold her up. Them take away her gun, her phone and the money. The man them get up on one bike. One ex-soldier amongst 3 men who get charged for go against the firearm act after them find one gun when have no license and some bullet in a Chilani Monday. The man them a 41 years old Corey Locke, who are one ex-soldier who come from Labour Heights, Kingston 17, 34 years old Shane McFarlane, who are one mechanic who come from New Road District in St. Thomas, and 32 years old Carl Javan Leslie, who are one mechanic who come from Lower York Seaford in St. Thomas. According to the police report, them stop one car and search it and them find one Beretta 9mm pistol with a V9 bullet. Them carry the 3 men go to Falmouth police station and charge them. One court date is set for them. Gunman shot and killed one 15 years old girl and one man in a Roehampton, St. James yesterday morning. Dead are Tony and Reed, who are one student at St. James High, and 28 years old O'Shane Spence. The 2 of them come from Roehampton. According to the police report, little after 2 a.m. people hear gunshot and call them. The police said them find the 2 of them body in our house. Now for sports. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association says sorry to the Trinidad and Tobago track and field community over the death of Dion Lendor. The 29 years old dead in a one car accident in America Monday. Lendor are the 2012 Olympic mile relay bronze medalist. According to Garth Gale, who are the JAA president, Lendor make one big impact on the Caribbean and everybody are going to remember him. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.